Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remote start Ford Mustang. Begin by checking your owner manual and any key fob labels for remote start info. I will explain factory options, common aftermarket kits, and basic safety checks. You will learn simple diagnostics for fob signals, battery and starter issues, and when professional installation is recommended. Follow along and pause as needed to match steps to your specific Mustang model. This section covers factory remote start options and how they work in your Mustang. I will explain fob sequences, app activation, and required safety interlocks like hood sensor and park position. You will learn how to confirm the feature is enabled in settings and what LED or chime signals mean. If your Mustang has sync app control, I will show basic app steps and common troubleshooting tips for failed starts or communication errors. Here we talk about choosing and installing an aftermarket remote start kit for your Mustang. I will outline key features to look for: compatibility with immobilizer, range, and smartphone integration. You will learn why professional installation is often safer, how installers program the fob and interface with the CAN bus, and basic post-install tests to verify safety switches and starter relay operation. I will also note common user errors to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.